Is your money sitting comfortably? Maybe tucked away in a familiar bank? But have you ever stopped to wonder just how far your bank's reach extends? Today, we're diving into the global landscape of a financial institution many of you might recognize, Lloyds Bank. Specifically, we're tackling a seemingly simple question: what country actually uses Lloyds Bank? Now, before you picture branches popping up on every street corner across the globe, let's clarify something important. Lloyds Bank, in its primary form as Lloyds Bank plc, is overwhelmingly associated with one nation, the United Kingdom. Its roots run deep within British soil, tracing back to 1765 in Birmingham. Over centuries, it has become a cornerstone of the UK's financial system, serving millions of personal and business customers. You'll find their iconic black horse logo adorning high streets across England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. From everyday current accounts and savings to mortgages, loans, and investment services, Lloyds Bank is a familiar name for a significant portion of the UK population. Think of it this way: if you're in London, Edinburgh, Cardiff, or Belfast, chances are you've seen a Lloyds Bank branch or ATM. Many UK residents have their salaries paid into a Lloyds account, manage their bills through their online banking platform, or even hold their first mortgage with them. It's deeply ingrained in the fabric of British financial life. However, the story doesn't end there. While the core of Lloyds Banking Group's operations and its Lloyds Bank brand are firmly in the UK, the group has had international ventures and a presence in other countries throughout its history. It's crucial to distinguish between the main retail banking operations under the Lloyds Bank name and the broader Lloyds Banking Group, which has included various international arms and subsidiaries over time. Historically, Lloyds had a more significant international footprint. For instance, Lloyds TSB, Trustee Savings Bank, following its merger in 1995, had operations in various parts of the world. However, in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis, Lloyds Banking Group underwent significant restructuring, which included divesting many of its international businesses to refocus on its core UK market. So, while you might not find high street Lloyds Bank branches in, say, Nigeria, the United States, or Australia in the same way you would in the UK, it's possible that some international financial institutions or services might have had historical connections or affiliations with Lloyds Banking Group. Furthermore, individuals who are originally from the UK and now live abroad might still maintain accounts with Lloyds Bank in the UK for various reasons. Therefore, the most accurate and direct answer to the question what country uses Lloyds Bank is unequivocally the United Kingdom. It is their primary market, the base of their extensive branch network, and where the vast majority of their customer base resides. While the broader Lloyds Banking Group may have had international dealings, the everyday banking experience under the Lloyds Bank brand is overwhelmingly British. It's a testament to how deeply a financial institution can become intertwined with the economic and social landscape of a single nation. Lloyds Bank and the UK go hand in hand in the minds of many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.